to my channel. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Today I got a good little video for you on my first powder coating. I've already sandblasted in my blast cabinet everything that I have and off-gassed it, and that's where I'm at right now. I just wanted to give you a shot of that. I brought everything up to 350 degrees and everything's taped off, ready to go. And then I got my powder coating all set up, ready to go. I'm just waiting for things to cool off a little bit. I got a pair of gloves. I'm just gonna sit there and hook them up about 150 degrees maybe, and shoot them that way. Anyway, stay tuned, and next will be powder coating, shoot powder. All right, everybody. I'm getting set up, and I just wanted to go over some safety stuff with you. That way y'all have an idea what I'm going to use in case you want to use it. First off, since I'm dealing with some hot items, I got some good thick gloves. Of course, I got my respirator here. It's a little overkill, but hey, it's what I got. And I got some rubber gloves for dealing with the powder itself. I already got it put into my container here, ready to go, and I got my temperature gun. Alrighty, well, let's get moving. All right, everyone. I got them all powder coated. Got them sitting in the oven. Let's fire her up. Let's see what she turns out like. All right, so we're gonna have to let the oven heat up and wait for it to liquefy. And then once it gets glossy, then it's 15 to 20 minutes after that for the full cure. All right, everyone. This is the first piece out. Pretty happy with it. This is just the cheapo $6 a pound, $7 a pound stuff from Harbor Fright. So I figured I'd use that for all the got them all set out. Now I'm fixing to spray some Prismatic Powders Clear Vision, I believe is the name of it. Yep, Clear Vision. I went ahead and bought 2 pounds of this to spray everything. Alrighty. I'll bring you back once I'm done with that.
Let's put it in.
Just want to throw in a little reminder here. Please like and share and subscribe. If you like the content that I got going on here and want to follow along, don't forget to hit the bell so whenever I upload another video you get notified. I really appreciate it, trying to grow the channel, and I want to say thank you for watching. The Centra pneumatic powder coating machine worked really well. I was impressed for 70 bucks. After I figured it out and got the pressures right and figured out how it worked, it did everything I thought it would do, and I have no complaints. I highly recommend it if you're just going to do some hobbyistic stuff at home. Powder coating. Alrighty, so we have the clear vision. Oh, excuse me. Coated on our our leaf spring plates and our shackle plates. Anyways, it says for 375 for, I believe, 15 minutes. I'm gonna recheck that, but anyways, I got them in the oven. The oven's on, and once it flows out, I'll start adding the time. Of course, once everything gets up to temperature. All right, I'll be back.